up, guys? I'm not Peter Buchanan. I am Lamont of BU. We're going on a little adventure right now. I don't know if we're going to make it back alive, but we're going to go try. I'm doing something for a friend, and hopefully it all works out and nothing terrible happens. Because something terrible could happen. It'd be terrible. So I brought my gear. I'm on my lunch break. I'm running down to the spot that's outside the UFC. So we're running down to the spot real quick. It's gonna take me about half an hour to get there, and we're gonna go fly a quad over some water, which is a terrible idea. But I work with some producers, and when they ask me, they let me use their music for free, which is awesome, and I appreciate that. And when they ask me to do something for them, I make sure that I do it, because they are hooking me up. I should hook them up, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go do this, and hopefully my homie, NTR.MND, which is Nature Mind, I think is what it's short for. He's in Korea. Great musician, great artist, great producer. Love his beats. And we're gonna fly like maybe 3 minutes over some water and do some peaceful sort of floaty, floppy, flippity-doo stuff over some water. And let's hope it goes well. That's all I can say. Let's get it on. I'm terrified.
Listen to that.
We're on our way to the spot. Now, I'm trying to stay calm. Keep my hands nice and warm. This is probably a terrible idea. What I do for my friends, for my homies. Hook me up, I hook you up, dog. Now, wow. If any of you guys have any footage of you flying over a body of water, just in case I don't get my quad back and I lose it in the drink. If you have any really good cinematic footage of landscapes and lakes and stuff like that, if you could hit me up in the comments and let me know, because I don't know what's gonna happen here. I could end up in the drink and be one unhappy camper. So plus I want to give the guys the most varied footage that I can, just to make it look really good. I had this cool idea that I'm probably not gonna be able to execute without somebody else being there. But alright guys, so begins my adventure. I've never really done anything like this before. It all works out. I don't see why it wouldn't. I'm not really wearing hiking style shoes. Oh my god, in the mud. Stay off that. Oh. It is looking mad sketch back here, guys. I got every mind to call this off. There's a trail up there. But this little side trail works. You got hawks, turkey vultures flying around. But the spot looks good. There's nobody here, which is an awesome, super big, yay, A+. As you guys can see, there's our water. It's kind of bleak because it's beginning of winter here. Sorry. NTR. I should ask you what your first name is tonight. We're gonna walk a ways down this path. This is so dumb. The waterway is quite wide. There are some scraggle spots, and the water is not that deep. This should look quite nice. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but should be okay. So this is not the greatest idea I've ever had. I'm not gonna lie to you. But, flying for fun.
in a secluded spot, nobody else around. I gotta check my Google map to see where I'm at, how far up I am. We're almost there. It's just not muddy, you know? There's some spots that are slippery, and I'm just trying to navigate my way through here without falling and busting my ass. The limit is this. They call this one the ankler because it breaks your ankles. Oh God, my knees. All right, first part of water across. Is there another one over here? No, there's not. All right, it's an adventure, Charlie. It's an adventure. Get a little bit of ice. Just get that guy come back. Can I borrow your retriever? My drone is in the drink. Whew. So 10-minute walk, not bad for the primo flying here. It's pretty straight. I think if I get a good beam right here and get a beam pointed that way, and that should be all right. I hope. I may just kind of stay in this little area. So let's get set up. Hopefully it doesn't suck. Yeah, this is me flying my first pack of the day over a creek. Now, granted, the creek's not that deep. I could get in there and get my quad, but there's ice on top of the water. Well, I didn't plug that in either, so. Well, mission aborted. I forgot my Immortal T for my radio. Dang it. I knew I'd do something stupid, and I did. I did something stupid. I forgot my Immortal T. Well, and I can't turn the unit up to 1 watt. It'll just burn itself out because there's no antenna on it. All right, so here's the long walk back. A complete waste of time because I forgot my friggin' Immortal T. At least this is a more scenic view for you guys. You can watch this beautiful hike that I'm going on. Sucks. No Immortal T. I'm gonna go over here. You know what? I was just online shopping for an Immortal T. I don't know why I have these fucking things on my head. So there's that. Oh, man. What a fucking waste. What a waste. Oh, shit. Oh, so that was a full 45 minutes of absolutely nothing. Because I left my antenna, and now I'm going home. We'll have to try another day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe take a day off. Come back here in the morning. But it's a good spot. And it'll work. All right, I'm tired because I'm booking it back because I got this little thought in my head that maybe if I get back fast enough, I can come back out here. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Deuces.